Welcome. This video will guide you through changing the system language on your Volvo V60i 2010-2018. The infotainment system allows you to select from various display and menu languages. We'll cover accessing the settings and troubleshooting common issues. Note that since these models are older, software updates are no longer provided by Volvo, and options may be limited. First, press the Menu button on your center console. Next, navigate to Settings. Then select System Settings. And finally, select Language. You should see a drop-down menu with available languages, such as English, Swedish, German, French, and Spanish. The exact menu names might vary slightly depending on your model year, but the general navigation is the same. Remember to be parked before attempting this change. From the Language drop-down, choose your desired language. Confirm your selection. The system will prompt you to restart for the changes to take effect. This process usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Avoid interrupting the restart to prevent software glitches. If the system freezes, a soft reset holding Menu plus Power might be required. If the language fails to change after following the steps, there are several troubleshooting options to try. First, try a soft reset by holding the Menu and Power buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This can clear temporary glitches in the system. If the soft reset doesn't work, the issue might be with the infotainment system's firmware. Older models from 2010 to 2012 might need a firmware update from a Volvo service center. This service might cost between $100 and $300. When changing the system language on your Volvo V60 I, be aware of some limitations. Not all parts of the system translate perfectly, and some error codes or voice commands might remain in the original language. Changing the language can also reset some personalized settings, such as saved radio presets. Also, ensure your software version is 2.5 or higher to have the best language support. Since official updates are unavailable, consider exploring DIY forums and aftermarket solutions. Tools like the Volvo Census Unlocker available on GitHub can provide access to hidden menus and potentially enable language changes. However, use these tools at your own risk, as they are not officially supported by Volvo. If you've tried the troubleshooting steps and the language still won't change, the infotainment module might be faulty. Consider getting it checked by a professional Volvo mechanic. Replacing the module with a used part from eBay could be a cheaper option, but ensure the replacement is compatible with your model year. While Volvo no longer provides official updates for the V60 I, community-driven efforts are keeping these systems functional. As these cars age, expect increased reliance on DIY solutions. Remember to consult model-specific service manuals and forums for the most accurate information. Thanks for watching.